This segment will help you get familiar with the components of the FC9000 cutter. While this segment won't be covering the components in detail, it will help identify them as they are used throughout this FC9000 training video series. Let's start at the front. Here on the left side of the unit is the power switch. As the name indicates, this is where we turn the unit on. Just to the left of the power switch, in the middle, is a long slot in which the media travels back and forth. On the upper side of the media slot are the push rollers. Depending on the size of the cutter, there can be from 3 to 5 push rollers. The purpose of the push rollers is to push down on the vinyl material to hold it in place while it is being cut. These don't actually drive the material back and forth, but they hold the material against the grid rollers on the bottom, which are actually what drive the media forwards and back. On the top right-hand side is the control panel. This is where we can control the different functions of the cutter. The handle or latch just to the right of the control panel allows us to either load media by lifting the push rollers, or bring down the push rollers onto the media to lock it into place once the media is loaded. At the back end of the cutter are the media stock rollers. This is where you place your rolls of media or material. One feature of the stock roller is the brake. It prevents the roll from moving when loading the media. Finally, in front and back of the unit are the baskets. These can be pulled out when needed or retracted when they are not needed. You'll notice that there are 4 wheels on the bottom that can be locked, preventing movement.